Installing a front M.2 drive cage and drive backplane. Slide the backplane toward the drive cage until it is seated in place. Fasten the two screws to secure the backplane. Install the M.2 controller board in the drive cage. Make sure that the boot backplane contacts are fully seated in the connector on the controller board as shown. Fasten the two screws to secure the controller board. For configurations with 2.5-inch drives at front of the server, slide the front M.2 drive cage into the chassis until it clicks into place. For configurations with E3.S drives or CXL memory modules, CMMs, slide the front M.2 drive cage into the frame until it clicks into place. Install the front M.2 drive cage with cage frame into the chassis. Make sure that the latch is in the open position. Slide the drive cage with frame into the chassis until the guide pin on the chassis is seated in place. Press the latch down to secure the drive cage with frame. Connect the power and signal cables to the backplanes. If necessary, reinstall the system fan cage. Install the top cover. Reinstall the drives and any fillers into the drive bays.